everyone, hope you all doing great. So today we'll be making green chili pickle. We're gonna start by cutting the chilies diagonally or in any other shape you want. And we're gonna marinate it with some salt and some lemon juice. Both of these things are gonna preserve it for a longer time. Now in a pan, take some black mustard seeds, some brown mustard seeds, onion seeds, fenugreek seeds, and some fennel seeds. Now let's roast this on a very low flame just to take out the moisture. After this, we're going to add some black salt, some regular iodized salt, some red chili powder, a little bit of turmeric, and some asafoetida. We're going to cool this down and then grind it coarsely. You can use this spice mixture for any traditional Indian pickle. In a dry and clean bowl, let's add the spice mixture, some mustard oil, and let's mix this into a homogeneous mixture. What this will do is the oil will absorb all the flavors. Now let's add the marinated green chilies. Now with a clean and dry spoon, let's mix all of this together. And make sure you mix it nicely because the oil and spices tend to settle on the bottom. Now we have to keep this in sunlight for 3-4 days. What it will do is mature the pickle and stop growth of bacteria which spoils the pickle. Most important thing is to use all the ingredients and utensils dry because moisture spoils this.